Move over Thanos. Marvel's next big villain might be even more terrifying. Doctor Doom is officially stepping into the spotlight, and fans are losing their minds. After the madness of Avengers Endgame, many thought no villain could ever top Thanos. He wiped out half the universe with a snap. He broke the Avengers. He changed the MCU forever. But now Marvel is building something darker. Doctor Doom is not just strong, he is not just a mastermind, he is a scientist, a ruler, and one of the most intelligent minds in Marvel history. Unlike Thanos, who wanted balance, Doom wants control, total domination, and he believes he deserves it. With Avengers Doomsday officially in development, directors have hinted at a much darker, more complex tone because Victor Von Doom demands it. And here's where things get wild. Robert Downey Jr. is stepping back into the MCU, but this time not as Iron Man, has sparked massive fan theories. What if Doom is not just a villain? What if he is connected to Iron Man's legacy in ways we don't even understand yet? Thanos relied on brute force and an infinity gauntlet. Doctor Doom does not need cosmic stones. He combines genius level intelligence, advanced technology, dark magic, political power. And the scariest part, he thinks he is the hero of his own story. Fans are already debating online, is Doom about to become Marvel's greatest villain ever? Is the MCU finally going darker again? Is this the villain that brings back that Infinity War level tension? The hype is real and the expectations are massive. If Marvel gets Doctor Doom right, this could be bigger than Thanos. So tell me, is Doom more dangerous or is Thanos still unbeatable? And don't miss the full breakdown on our channel because this story, the leaks, and the fan theories are way bigger than you think, powered by Action Marketing.